Hello, and you're very welcome along to part 3 of this 3-part tutorial. Part 1 was creating a YouTube channel, part 2 was uploading content to your YouTube channel, and part 3 now is connecting the content that you've just uploaded to your website. So let's dive straight in, will we? Go to your website, make sure you're signed in. You know you're signed in because the black bar is going to appear at the top there. Log on to your dashboard. And because you want to connect content to your website, you're actually creating a post. So click Create a Post. Don't forget to give your post a title. Here, this is important. You want to write a bit of a story about the video that you've just uploaded. As always, make sure you have the correct category selected. Scroll down and you get to the media panel. You know it's the media panel because it has media written up here. So you use this media panel to upload images, audio clips and video clips from YouTube and Vimeo. So you simply click on the blue button and it's asking you now for the web address of your video, it's asking for the title of your video, and it's looking for a little description of the video. So open up YouTube, and when you've opened up your YouTube channel, again, remember to sign in to your YouTube channel. Click on the 3 lines in the top corner, scroll down to your videos, and as long as you're signed into your YouTube channel, all the videos that you've created are going to appear here. I would click on the video itself. Once you've clicked on it, simply grab the address from up here. So that's me highlighting the address, copying it, going back to my website and putting the address in here, pasting it in. Creating a YouTube channel. The description of my clip is how to create a YouTube channel in 3 steps. Now keep in mind that the description here doesn't have to be the same as the description on your YouTube channel. It can be completely different. But once you have those 3 things in there, all you have to do now is click Save Draft, because you want to see what it looks like before you publish it to the web. Then your website will prompt you to view or preview the post. Click Preview. So this is the preview. This is what your post is going to look like if it's published to the internet. What you're seeing is you're seeing a thumbnail of your video. You're seeing the name of the video. You're seeing the description of the video. And you're seeing the text here that you've inputted into the text panel of your post, which is right here. And again, just so you know yourself, if we scroll down to the media panel and we compare these two, we see the thumbnail, which is generated by this link here. This is the thumbnail generated by the link. You see the title of the video clip. That's the title of the video clip here. And then you see the description that you've put in, and that appears right there. If you're happy with all that, simply click Publish, and now your post is available to everybody on the internet. So congratulations, you've created a YouTube channel, you've uploaded a video, and you've connected that video to your website. If you need any other information, please don't hesitate to contact me. We'd be delighted to help out, and until I chat to you again, take care for now.